Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.1, which is the superb. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc. Room category second. Category third. Room category fourth. Room category fifth. Room category sixth. Category 7. Seven categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this property. The location of the property is good and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this property is 3 p.m. and the checkout time is 11 a.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check description of the video. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property.